Life is about today. Life is about now. What you do now, it will help you in the future. সেই জন্য সবাই মন দিয়ে পড়াশোনা করবে, because everyone in our life has an ability to become the best. আমি খেলার জগৎ থেকে বলি, somebody like Sachin Tendulkar অথবা বিরাট কোহলি অথবা সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি অথবা রাহুল দ্রাবিড়, সবাই কিন্তু তোমাদের মতো এই স্টেজ থেকে উঠেছে। আমিও কলেজ গেছি, আমিও স্কুলে গেছি। তোমরা ব্যান্ডেলে সেন্ট জোসেফ স্কুলের অনেক ছাত্রী দেখলাম ওপরে এসেছিল। তোমরাও হয়তো চন্দননগর বা হুগলির আশেপাশে এলাকার থেকে স্কুলে পড়ে বড় হয়েছো। আমি কলকাতার ছেলে বলে কলকাতায় পড়ে বড় হয়েছি। বাট আলটিমেটলি দ্য স্টেপস আর দ্য সেম। The only difference between a successful person and an unsuccessful person is what you do with your time. The successful person makes the most of his time. The unsuccessful person doesn't make the most of his time. There is no difference. Intelligence karur 19 karur 20 হয়তো হ্যাঁ তোমাদের মধ্যে থেকে exceptional students থাকবে, which will always be the case. আমি যখন দেশের হয়ে খেলি, আমার টিমে যেমন দ্রাবিড় ছিল, VVS লক্ষ্মণ ছিল, বীরেন্দ্র সেহবাগ ছিল, they were all outstanding, but we had an exceptional person, Sachin Tendulkar. But we all survived and all played for one team. সেই জন্য তোমাদের মধ্যে থেকেও there will be someone who will be exceptional, who will probably be like a Steve Jobs of Apple. It can become. কিন্তু বাকিরাও also are very very important for the success of this university, this college, and the success of your own careers. I have led a country's team for a long period of time. Most of you, once you've come out of this college, go for higher education, ultimately will go to jobs. Some will work for the Tatas, some will work for the ITC, some will work for the Birlas, some will work for the Ambanis. So সবাই individual নিজের লাইফে will have to become a leader. So all your efforts, all your education time should be focused on becoming a leader one day, because in this world you have only place for the best. There is no time for a runner-up. In 2003 World Cup, when India went to the final in South Africa, I was captain of India. We lost to Australia. We had an outstanding tournament. We lost only one game in the final, but Australia will always remain as champions and we will remain as runners-up. সেই জন্য in life, if you have to be happy in life, if you have to lead the rest of your life properly, you have to work hard now. To become a good leader, which is so important in society, because I was captain of a national team, there are certain criteria which are very very important to be a good leader. And যেহেতু আমি তোমাদের মধ্যে আজকে আছি, other than your educational qualifications which you will always try and do, your character building in leadership is very very important. For me, the first and the foremost qualification of becoming a leader is the identification of right talent. তোমরা যেটা আগে তোমাদের বললাম, তোমরা বিভিন্ন প্রফেশনাল ইনস্টিটিউটসে গিয়ে জয়েন করবে, কোম্পানিজে গিয়ে জয়েন করবে, where you will be given responsible jobs. So the biggest thing what you need to do is to identify the right talent. কারণ ক্রিকেট খেলার মতো, ফুটবল খেলার মতো, running a company or making a successful business unit, it's about people. একজন দিয়ে কখনো কোনো কিছু হয় না। You may have a captain, you may have a leader, but the only way that company will be successful or the project will be successful if all the 14 or 10 or 12 or 30, whatever number of people you have in your group, are on the same page with you and are qualified enough to see you through in your work. So the most important thing to be a successful leader is to identify the right talent, is the right people who will take you forward. যখন আমি ভারতের ক্যাপ্টেন ছিলাম, তোমরা অনেক সময় হয়তো শুনেছো যে এই দাদার সময় বীরেন্দ্র সেহবাগ খেলেছে, দাদার সময় হরভজন সিং খেলেছে, দাদার সময় যুবরাজ সিং খেলেছে বা অনিল কুম্বলে খেলেছে। It was my most important role that I identified these people and got them into my team atmosphere, because I believed that in my journey to success they will be an important part.